the 1930 and early 1940, Muslim women who would go on to OPT for Pakistan played an extremely vital role in the success of Pakistan movement. The founding mothers of Pakistan including Fatima Jinnah, Begum Rana and Shireen Jinnah. In 1948, the First Lady of Pakistan, Begum Rana, took the lead in starting the Women Voluntary Service in 1948 to support the medical and logistics for the Pakistan Army Force engaged in India-Pakistani War of 1947. In the 20th century, women were restricted from participating in active duty combat operation, although a sizable unit of women soldiers were deployed in hostile areas to support the medical operations only. In 2020, Shahida Malik was promoted to two-star rank and was the first female Major General. Shahida Badshah was the second woman to be promoted to Major General. In 2015, Brigadier Nigar Johar became the first woman to command in the history of Pakistan Army. In 2003, the PFA started a new combat program by inducting women to be trained as fighter pilots. In 2016, the first batch of women. According to information released by Human Rights Commission of Pakistan in 2010, women first became part of the police force in the subcontinent in 1939 when 7 female constables, dozens of male and female police took part in a commando training course in Nowsherwa, introduced by the local police as an additional skill for the police to be deployed to combat terrorism and extremism, which is routinely on the rise in the South Asia nuclear armed country. This is the police training center in Nowsherwa city of Pakistan, where about 600 elite commanders have successfully completed training. Among the chosen few are a handful of female commanders. If we cannot both shut up, the situation in my province was very bad. Terrorism was on the front line, much like my father desired my sisters, and I were also very interested in joining the force. We are 3 sisters and we are also elite commander. Chief Instructor Aslam's news as female commandos who joined the force voluntary get no special perks and receive the same training as their male counterparts. It is a common belief that women are comparatively weak, however they joined it voluntarily and once they started training, they proved that they can perform just like men and in fact this did. The Academy offers a 4-year undergraduate programs leading to the Bachelor in Military Art and Science, including some common subjects as English, Military, Geography, National and International Affairs, Islamic Studies, Military and General Science or Social Science. The long course cadets study 2 years for the degree before commissioning and complete the degree in their units. Now we talk about physical fitness of female army. GS gentlemen cadets are required to pass various physical tests. The academy are very high physical standard which are all cadets have to achieve in order to pass. The physical requirement increase with promotion to the next team. The basic requirements for female commanders of first team is to able to complete 1 mile run 1.6 km in 6 minutes and 30 seconds. In second team are required to complete 1 mile run in 6 minutes and 20 seconds. For third teams our 1 mile time is 6 minutes and 10 seconds. And other test includes push-ups, sit-ups, chin-ups, rope test, 5 mile running, associate course and acid test. These tests generally test the stamina and strength of female commander. In the acid test, female commanders begin by traversing a mountain while carrying logs on their shoulders. This is followed by 1.5 km run in full gears of obstacle course. Those completing the course are given by 5 rounds which will hit target at a distance of 22 meters.
There are also variety of outdoor clubs that helps increasing the physical fitness of female commander, para club, gliding club, hiking club, riding club, judo and karate club, health and hygiene. At PMA, potential officer undergo a series of grilling training programs designed to include the attributes and qualities essential for a career in Pakistan Armed Force. Some feature training programs include professional skill of handling weapons, tips to field craft, use of signal equipments, model discussions, tutorial discussions, field exercise. The most important exercise for cadets is first term kickoff, saluting test, cross country, and the second term is TM Raiders, Panipeds and Affiliate courses also added as a part of PT test. Fourth term Qyadat, and the most difficult test of all the acid test. Swimming is compulsory for female commanders. The PMA Lady Cadet course was first started in November 2016. The course is taken by master and bachelor qualified ladies who are sound professionals in their fields. The Lady Cadets undergo a training periods in 6 months and pass out the captain in sporting arms of Pakistan Army. And I hope you like my video. If you like it, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.